Fancy Spider.
Okay. Who is the author?
I don't know. I forgot.
What about the illustrator?
I know. I forgot to that one too.
Okay.
But it's the same as Silly. I'll just say that her name is Silly.
All right. Her name is Sealy. Okay.
So, the Fancy Spider.
Show me the pictures. Read the words.
The Fancy Spider. I like that song. Do you really? Hey, do you want to listen to the story of Fancy Spider?
I do. I'm waiting on you to read it to me, remember?
Okay, I have to get this thing. You laid it down.
So you're not going to read it?
I am going to read it to you later. Well, right now I am, but I have to read the whole little count.
All right.
Don't touch on my calendar.
All righty. Go ahead.
The Fancy Spider. I looked in the cat and it was still wet. The water was coming to me. The water was coming to me, really. It looked in there, but it was starting to rain. And she hurried back in there till his mom come back in there. Just like, go to Nine in there for a rain. Hurry, hurry. But I fell back. I go in there and I went on my tail. I really want the sun started to come out, so I went on my web. And I went in my shell to hide. And I went back into my web because I was hiding for that shark. There's a bee, so I hide it for it. But I wanted to not be afraid from a bee, so I just come down. Well, I went back on my web when I was asleep, but I waked up and I went back on my shell. On my web. And the girl was scared when she saw a spider with a ball, though she knew that spider was not. But she ran away without her ball. Poor girl. She forgot her ball, but the spider scared her away. A lot of times, I really was. But she made the spider cry, and she climbed up her arms. And Humpty Dumpty comes. And he sings his song, Humpty Dumpty sit on the wall. Humpty Dumpty's had a great fall. All the king's horses, all the king's men, put Humpty together again. So he went to his bed because it was dark outside. Then it was nighttime. The boy saw there was a spider on his pie, and he crawled up in his pie, but he got it off on his hand, and he said, "Oh, the spider hurt me!" So he ran to go tell his mom.
What a great story. Thank you. Good job, Layton.
I'm going to set this color. Can I watch?